See kids, rice comes from these grains. These grains comes from these plants. First, we need to soak these grains as little sprouts. Then we will plant the sprouts in small patch of mud. When sprouts become tiny plants, we will move them to bigger and watery fields. After few months, tiny plants grow bigger like this. When green plants become golden color, that means it's time to cut them down. Then we will shake the plants to pop the seeds off like these seeds. And then we will send these seeds to mill to get the raw rice. If we boil the raw rice in water, it becomes soft and yummy food in our plates. Yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy. Very good.